and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about group activities. So let's get started. Describe something you enjoyed doing with a group of people. You could say, one enjoyable activity I engaged in with a group of people was a hiking trip. Or you could say, an experience that comes to mind is a hiking expedition that I thoroughly relished. What was the activity you enjoyed? We went hiking in a nearby forested area, or our adventure entailed embarking on a hiking expedition through a nearby wooded expanse. Where did you go for this activity? We explored a beautiful forest trail not far from our town. Or our journey led us to traverse a captivating forest pathway located just a short distance from our town. Who were you with during this activity? I was accompanied by a bunch of close friends. Or I shared this experience with a delightful group of my closest friends. Why did you find this activity enjoyable? I loved the fresh air and sense of accomplishment when we reached the summit. The invigorating air and the triumphant feeling of reaching the summit contributed to making this activity truly enjoyable for me. Okay, so that's all the questions we have today. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me, as it's intended to give you more of an insight into the topic at hand. Participating in group activities provides individuals with the opportunity to engage in shared experiences and bond with others. Group activities range from physical endeavors like team sports to collaborative creative projects. In this passage, we will explore the benefits of engaging in group activities and how they contribute to personal growth, teamwork, and social connections. Group activities offer a multitude of benefits beyond mere entertainment. One key advantage is the fostering of teamwork and cooperation. Working together towards a common goal enhances collaborative skills and prepares individuals for future challenges in various aspects of life. Experiences such as theatre productions, debate clubs, and outdoor activities promote self-discovery, boost confidence, and build resilience. Engaging in group activities plays a pivotal role in personal growth and development. Individuals step out of their comfort zone and face new challenges. Group activities provide a platform for social interaction and the opportunity to forge new friendships. Participating in shared experiences fosters a sense of belonging and camaraderie among participants. This helps alleviate feelings of isolation and loneliness in today's fast-paced and digitally connected world. Joining a sports team promotes physical fitness, cooperation, sportsmanship, and strategic thinking. Engaging in community service projects fosters a sense of responsibility and empathy through working together for a common cause. Collaborative art projects encourage the exchange of ideas, experimentation, and appreciation of diverse perspectives. Participating in group activities is an enriching experience that promotes personal development, interpersonal skills, and a strong sense of community. Engaging in diverse activities that require teamwork, communication, and cooperation leads to valuable life skills contributing to overall well-being and success. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Take a look through some of these, and perhaps they can be incorporated into your language skill. Shared experience, collaboration, teamwork, communication, cooperation, personal growth, resilience, camaraderie, interpersonal skills, social interaction, well-being, empathy, diverse perspectives, community engagement, collective effort. Okay. Lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Please have a look through and see if you can put some of these into your own words yourself. What is an activity you enjoyed doing with a group of people? That question could be asked instead by saying, what's something you like doing with others? Or, where did you engage in this activity? Where was the place you participated in this activity? Who were your companions during this activity? Who did you do this activity with? And for paraphrasing statements, engaging in group activities provides an opportunity for social interaction. Instead, you could say, participating in activities with others allows for social engagement. Or, the members of our team worked collectively to achieve our shared goal. Our team collaborated as a group to reach our common objective. And lastly, the paraphrasing descriptions, which are on your own form. As always, thank you very much for listening. I'll see you on the next one.